everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Raising Things. How have y'all been? It's been a little while. I'm gonna do a cooking video today. Well, guess what? I went to do my video, got everything prepped, and I'm missing an ingredient. So we're gonna just go with the flow and do what y'all do when you're missing an ingredient in one of your recipes. Yep, we're just gonna go with the flow. But I'm gonna make a scalp. It's gonna be like a scalped or a gratin potatoes. But I was gonna make goop. Well, I missed an ingredient, so we'll do that another day. Hey, Julie. And I wanted to show you what I got. I got a cup with my logo on it. Isn't that pretty? And it's got my name on it. And looky here. The boss got one too. Look at the boss's cup. Wanted to show you all the boss's cup. See? This is the boss's cup. Isn't that cute? And I love the handles. Amy did a great job. Amy from the Three Princesses made those for us. And of course, I'm using mine, Amy. If Amy comes on, Amy, I'm using my cup. Because Thad said he was going to take mine. But okay, we're going to start our cooking video. We're going to start, here's our pan. We have, and I wash my hands before the video. We have a thing of kielbasa, pre-cut up. Because I cut everything up. You don't need to watch me cut up. Not like that anyway. And I have 2 teaspoons of butter. And I chopped those up. And those are in the pan already. Hey, Karen. And this is 1 medium potato, sliced. And one half of an onion. What I'm doing, I have potatoes that need to get used up. I had an onion in there that need used up. So I'm getting some stuff out of my refrigerator that just needs used up. I'm thinking about doing a video on just how to use up some things in your kitchen and in your refrigerator and your pantry. Hey, Rose. Okay. Now I had a half a block of Velveeta cheese. Okay, that's better. Half a block of Velveeta cheese. I do these videos where I do talks and then I can't get my Archon adjusted right. And I just chopped it up. And I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna add a can of mushroom soup. Spoon ever. Then I'll show you a trick on how I do my milk. I add about a half a can of milk. And I just add it in the can. Which I'm glad I may use the whole thing since there ain't much left. A little over half a can this time. And then I'm gonna stir this up. Gonna stir this up. I'll add salt and pepper to taste, but which I normally don't add salt because of that, especially with the kielbasa being salty. And then I will, always drop something on the floor. That's why Bandit's on guard duty, because Mama drops too much stuff on the floor. Then I have a partial bag of cheese that has been in the refrigerator. I'm going to just use it up. And then I'll bake it till it's golden brown. And that is my scalloped potatoes. Gratin of potatoes, whatever you want to call them. But I wasn't going to make this. I was going to make something else. I'm sorry, but I didn't have all the ingredients. Yeah, I made this, and I made Thad's famous meatloaf. And y'all know when Melissa makes Thad's famous meatloaf, I always end up with 4 loaves. I just have to put the topping on it yet. See, when Melissa makes Thad's famous meatloaf, it always ends up being 4 loaves. 1 for us and 3 for him to take to work in the next few weeks. Have a good day, everybody. Missed everybody. Love y'all. But my battery's dying. I thought it was charged. You know crazy Melissa. I will be on. I have a project I have to do. I have to do a floral arrangement in a toilet. And I'm going to bring you along. Have you ever seen anybody do a floral arrangement in the toilet? Yep, I got to do that pretty soon for a bathroom remodel. So I'm going to be bringing you along. I can drop you the link of the meatloaf recipe, girlfriend. If you want the meatloaf recipe, it's called Amish meatloaf, and I will drop you a little link. But yeah, next week on my list, I have to do a floral arrangement in a toilet. So I know my girls would want to see this. It's going to be absolutely hilarious. But love y'all. Talk to you later. Make sure to do click on that S button down there and do the follow thing and do all the Facebooky things. Love you. I'll be back. You guys got to see this arrangement in the toilet. Love you. Bye.